Dr. Mrinalini Sharma. I'm a plastic and cosmetic surgeon practicing in East River Cosmetic Clinic, Saket. Today in this video, I'm going to answer a very common question as to what is the right age for a facelift surgery. Facelift surgery जो है basically एक ऐसी surgery है जो तब की जाती है जब signs of aging आने लगे, which basically means sagging skin or loss of volume and also development of deep lines on the face. Having said this, इसकी कोई fixed age नहीं है, so it will depend upon a lot of factors as to आपके genetics कैसे हैं, आपके face में sagging के signs कितने evident हैं and आपकी skin की elasticity कैसी है. Giving a broad guideline, I would say that facelifts can be done anywhere in the age group of 40 to 60 years. However, having said this, कुछ ऐसे पेशेंट्स भी हैं जिनमें साइंस ऑफ एजिंग बहुत जल्दी आते हैं बिकॉज ऑफ जीन्स से इवन इन द लेट 30s. सो आई वुड नॉट से दैट इनमें हम फेसलिफ्ट कर नहीं सकते. हाउएवर, फेसलिफ्ट्स आर नॉट द आइडियल ऑप्शन जब आपके साइंस ऑफ एजिंग में सैगिंग ज़्यादा मेजर नहीं कंसर्न है, आपकी फाइन लाइंस है मेनली या लॉस ऑफ वॉल्यूम है जिसे हम लेसर इन्वेजिव प्रोसीजर से भी टैकल कर सकते हैं. सो इफ़ योर मेन कंसर्न इज़ लॉस ऑफ वॉल्यूम or fine lines, then I would say that let's wait it out and use other less invasive procedures like fillers, fat grafting or Botox, which are very effective in treating these early signs of aging. However, if you have other issues like sagging of skin or jowling or a lax neck, a lack of jawline definition, then yes, you might be a candidate for a facelift procedure. Again, in this, we have mini facelifts which essentially cater to the lower face and jawline definition, and a full facelift which will take care of the entire face and also of the neck laxity in such patients who have both facial and neck aging changes. So, the plastic surgeon will guide you as to आपके लिए कौन सा procedure सबसे ज़्यादा suitable है, and there are many procedures which can be done which are short of a full facelift. Advantages of a facelift are that it is a very long lasting procedure, and अगर आपके genetics अच्छे हैं, आपका lifestyle healthy है, then this can give you a life of almost 7 to 10 years where you would look much younger than your actual age. So if your plastic surgeon says that आपके में gross signs of aging है, जैसे sagging है या neck में बहुत ज़्यादा changes आ चुके हैं, then you might not be a good candidate for the lesser invasive procedures. And please listen to the plastic surgeon, and just because the procedure has a longer downtime or a longer recovery or might cost more, don't shy away from getting a full facelift done. Yes, you have to have certain precautions before planning this procedure, जैसे कि आपकी अगर कोई और comorbidities हैं जैसे hypertension है या diabetes है या thyroid है, तो ये सब well controlled होना चाहिए, आपका पूरा ब्लड वर्क नॉर्मल होना चाहिए, एंड एवरीथिंग शुड बी परफेक्ट फॉर यू टू अंडरटेक दिस काइंड ऑफ एन इन्वेसिव सर्जरी. Patients are often scared about the pain which is associated with a facelift. However, facelifts are not a painful procedure. इनका recovery time is mainly because of the swelling and the bruising which comes on the face. Otherwise, patients are mobile, they are essentially pain-free, and routine painkillers and antibiotics of about 5 to 7 days is all what they require. In addition, हम कुछ एक्सरसाइजेस या जिमिंग से आपको मना करेंगे, हम आपको वेट लिफ्टिंग से मना करेंगे, कुछ मेडिकेशंस से भी मना करेंगे. स्मोकिंग एंड अल्कोहल आर स्ट्रिक्ट नो इन द इमीडिएट पोस्ट ऑप पीरियड. बट हैविंग सेड ऑल दिस, द रिकवरी फ्रॉम अ फेसलिफ्ट इज एसेंशियली स्मूथ एंड पेन फ्री. So if you're planning this kind of a procedure, then you should be looking at a time frame of at least a month to 6 weeks before any social event which you have to attend. But if you're thinking in terms of how long you have to stay inside the house, then probably we're looking at a period of about a week to 10 days. So in a nutshell, if you have visible sagging, if you have a loose neck, then we require a facelift. And age is not the only criteria as to decide when we can undergo a facelift. Nowadays, we also have younger patients, say in the age group of 35 years or so, but usually we will prescribe this procedure in a patient who is above 50 years for better results. Along with this, we can also plan some other ancillary procedures when we're thinking of a facelift, say treatment for the eyes in the form of blepharoplasty, treatment for the neck in terms of a neck lift, or treatment for a droopy eyebrow in the sense of a brow lift. So the plastic surgeon in a consult will address all your areas of aging and will tell you what suits you best and what all procedures you might need in addition to the full facelift you're undergoing. As I said, there are a lot of kind of facelifts which are available, starting from the least invasive mini facelift to a deep plane facelift, depending upon the indication, depending upon आपकी skin कैसी है, आपकी elasticity कैसी है और आपका overall lifestyle और genetics कैसे हैं. Having said this, आपको ये भी याद रखना है कि अर्लियर साइंस ऑफ एजिंग जो है वो नॉन इन्वेजिव टेक्निक से काफ़ी अच्छे से केटर की जा सकती है. एंड आई रिफ्यूज़ अ नंबर ऑफ पेशेंट्स हु कम इन द अर्ली 30s वांटिंग अ फेसलिफ्ट स्ट्रेट अवे बिकॉज their expectations are many times unrealistic and they want to look in their 20s, which is not really possible by doing a facelift in your 30s. Results are very dramatic if you do this procedure in say a 55-year-old where sagging is apparent, and we can really take away 10 to 15 years off your face. So let the plastic surgeon decide what procedure suits you best, and if you and your plastic surgeon are on the same page, then this can be a really satisfying procedure. I hope I've answered most of your doubts regarding when to get a facelift done. If you have any further questions, please reach out to us and we'll be happy to assist you. Thank you.